Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another taco review. We're on 47th and what, Western at Guapo Taco. We got what? What's in here, dude? Sauce, I'm guessing? They wrapped this up real good, man. This is gonna be a long review. It's gonna be an unboxing. They look decent.
It's good.
It's hot. Oh shit. They got a lot of fat.
Is that good?
No. I personally don't like that. You put some lime. Yeah, the fat. There's a lot of it. There's more fat than meat, though. I just bit something hard. Oh, this one. Yeah, this ain't good, man. I'm gonna give this. I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 10. Have a good one, guys. Wait, hold up. Hot sauce? Oh, there's hot sauce. It's not gonna save the meat though, it's still 3 by 10. I'm gonna see if the hot sauce is good though. Yeah, the hot sauce is good. Still 3 out of 10 though, guys. A taco day keeps the cops away, man. Have a good one.